Okay, I'm going to show you how to add using base 10 form without regrouping. We're going to use a THTO chart. So T stands for thousands. We're going to use a capital T. H stands for hundreds. We're going to use a lowercase t for tens and then 1. So THTO. We're going to be adding our problem today. Let's do 3,472. And we're going to add it with 5,326. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate my numbers just so that it's easier to keep track of them and count them. And now I'm going to draw this number right here, and it's going to be green. So for our thousands, we're going to draw a square, and we're going to put another square on top because it's going to mimic creating a full cube. This represents our thousands cubes, which look, I don't have one nearby, but I can grab my hundreds, which I do have nearby, which mimics the look of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, where 10 hundreds put together is 1 thousands cube. So it mimics the same look, where our simple way of drawing it will be a square with a little square on top. So that'll be a way for them to show thousands so that they're not using their time to draw pretty cubes, because it is time consuming for a lot of kids. So our first number is 3,000. So I'm going to put 3,000s in here. Normally I line them up all nice and pretty, but I got a little wild for you guys, so it'll be okay. Our hundreds, we're gonna mimic the shape of a hundreds flat. So we're just gonna have a square. We have 4 of them. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. For our tens, we're mimicking the shape of a 10 stick, where there are 10 blocks in this. So we have 7 tens, so we're gonna go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. We wanna line them up in 5s just so that they're really easy to count. And then for our ones, they're another cube, but they're extra small. So what we do instead to help keep it straight from these and these are we make our ones into little circles. Another thing your learner can do to kind of help them out is you can write what you start with in each spot, especially if you're changing colors, so that I can match my green to what I have in my top corner. Now we're gonna drag this number into my bottom box. So for that, we're going to have 5,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,000s. We're going to put our 5 in our top corner. 300. 1, 2, 3. 20, 10, 20, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once everything is drawn, we ask that they start with regrouping. So they're going to, I forgot to write my 6 in the corner. We ask that they start with regrouping. So we already have the spoiler that it's not going to be regrouped, but I can check where I have 6, 7, 8, no regrouping, 7, 8, 9, no regrouping, 4, 5, 6, 7, no regrouping, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, no regrouping. When I regroup, I've made a new 10. So I'm looking to see if I count to 10 in any of these answers. We're gonna put our equal sign. I have a dry marker, oh no. Okay, let's try a different color then. So now we're just gonna count what we have in the boxes. So I have 6, 7, 8, 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my answer is going to be 8,798. So I can write it. We're going to move our arrow down so that we have space for our answer. 8,798. And that is how you add using base 10 blocks without any regrouping.